There's a variety of programs that we have at PSU. One example is the program we have in the college, the Undergrad Research and Mentoring Program, we call it, where undergrad students apply and they get trained and then they work for 2 terms with a faculty mentor. There's also at least 2 National Science Foundation sponsored Research for Undergrad Experience sites that fly in students from outside of PSU typically, and it's a summer cohort. We host them for 8 or 10 weeks, and they also work with faculty and work on various research projects.
So throughout this project, I've learned to basically work independently through a project that I had no knowledge about previously, and it's been really tough trying to grasp new concepts and learn things that I've never been taught and just handed and given 10 short weeks to say, you can do this.
My experience this summer has been really awesome. I came to kind of learn if I wanted to go to grad school and if research was something I was interested in, and I learned so much about the research process from like day 1, what is our question, to day 28, give the presentation on it. And I've learned so much about myself as well, of like what I'm interested in, what my skills are, where I can still build my skills, and you know, even small things like problem solving and day-to-day planning has been a really good experience. So I've learned a lot and it's been great.
I think that research experience for undergraduates is super important, and it's just really cool to see knowledge production in action, and that's not something you always get a chance to do during the school year at an undergraduate or during your undergraduate education. So I think this experience is really just like getting your foot in the door and seeing what graduate school might feel like or what research in general feels like, and really feeling like you're contributing.
So the value of undergraduate research in my mind is kind of threefold. I think first of all, it really helps undergraduates to decide if they actually want to go to graduate school or to do this sort of work, to do research, to work in a lab. And then if they decide that, it really helps prepare for that. And then I think the third thing that it's really important for is actually kind of sparking an interest in the topic that you're researching and allowing you to dive into some of the questions and concerns that are happening and really get engaged with that.